In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add cover in Notion gallery. So firstly, let me create a new page here. So I want to name it New Zealand. So I'll just name it like this. And now to add cover inside this, we need to hover over this text and then we'll be able to see this option of add cover. Select it and now it will automatically set a random cover for your page. Now to change the cover, we need to go to change cover from here and then it will show you bunch of options to set your cover page. So first option is this, which is gallery. From here you can choose any gradient cover or you can choose any image from here. There is also an option of unsplash. From here you can search for a specific image and you can set that image as in your cover too. You can also paste your link of image and then submit that image, then the image will be set as your cover. But I want to upload custom image from my computer, so for that go to upload section and now click on upload file, select your image and then click on open. Now the image has been uploaded as my cover on Notion. Now to reposition this image, we need to click on reposition and now reposition it according to your need. So I want to reposition like this. Now if I go back from here, you can see there is no cover image on my Notion gallery. That's because you have disabled your card preview. To enable it, we need to head over to this section, tap on these three dots, now click on layout and under it make sure to select this gallery option and under card preview we need to set it as page cover, and that's how you enable covers in Notion. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.